I'm gonna turn the volume down over here. I'm gonna turn the volume down right here. And I'll pop the chat out. Pop out chat. And that should be good. And I'll just hide that. And welcome Doug is cut to the stream. Welcome Mr. Turtle Games. Welcome Mr. AK Vids. And also welcome Miles Inc. to the stream. Alright, let's hide this. And so we're not going to be working on this happy fall immediately. First, I want to share something. First, I want to share this thing. Let's see. Welcome the great R8. Wow. Welcome BR2. A lot of people just got in crazy fast. That is a lot of people that just got here and made crazy fast. I guess you all got a notification. Papa LeBear, welcome. That's a ton of people. Mr. Turtle Games, we got like 8 people just coming in immediately. That's insane. And also make sure to like the video. Okay, like the stream. Well, I mean, don't do that. Don't do it unless you actually like it. So wait until a little bit into the stream, and then like it if you want. Welcome Zax23 to the stream. Okay, so this what I have open right here. Let me just hide this. This what I have open right here. This is just basically a test, a quick test right here. So this is basically just a test. So then you press O or O to zoom in. Look at this. You can press O to zoom in and then P to zoom out. Look, you can zoom all the way out. You can zoom that far out. It's really cool. All the movement is proportional. So I think Mario's a little bigger than he's supposed to be. But this is pretty cool. So this is just the Peach's Castle. I just took the art out because this is just meant to be a test. So you can zoom all the way out. So you can see the frog down there. You can see the text. You can see the dog up here. It's really cool. So I think if I make a Zelda Breath of the Wild thing, I will allow you to do this. Actually, you know what I should have done? I should have recorded some sound effects. But also, I must mention this here, down here. It was, well, I was playing Super Scratch Bros. I was playing Super Scratch Bros by HobsonTV. Let me pull that up and let me link it in chat. I mean, say in chat, have you played Super Scratch Bros by HobsonTV? Have you played it? Just say yes in the chat if you have. Say yes in the chat if you've played, or no if you haven't. Okay, we got one yes. Hi X-Pool. I know this. I know you. If you just got here, then you haven't seen. Look at this. You can zoom out with P. If you press P, you can zoom all the way out. And look at this. You can see everything. Look at this. You can see everything. Not as cool? No, it's much cooler than this because it's got online support. The graphics are great. He could add sound effects. And it would be really cool. But I mean, I'm not sure where he would get the sound effects. I don't think it would be difficult because he's way better at Scratch than I am. He's been doing it for longer because I joined Scratch before he did, but I took a few long breaks in between. So look at this. You can all right, say if the audio is good. You think 3.0 is better than 2.0? I think they need to fix they need to fix a lot of the bugs. No, I'm going to share it. I'm going to share this project. I'll type it. I'm going to share this project on stream. I'm going to share this project on stream. It's just a test. It's just a test. Okay, how many people are watching right now? Because there are only a few people in the chat. I guess a couple people said they had to leave, but still. Okay. So, yeah, I'll share this project. Well, first I'm going to take a screenshot. Ow. They need to patch a lot of the glitches, and they need to add stuff that was in 2.0 that made it good back into 3.0, because they took out a lot of stuff. So I'm going to take a screenshot like that. And then, no, but this 2,373 notifications, that's been building up for a couple days. Yeah, and it's slowing down a lot now because today because my IRS project just got off. It ended its run. It got off the front page. So I'm gonna share this just to get a little bit more momentum, and then we're gonna work on this and share this like maybe a couple days later. Because this is really cool. Nobody else has really made it yet, and I think it's going to be, I think I'm pretty confident with this project. It's just that I can't get the coins to work. I've been trying for off camera, and I just can't get coins to work for some reason. So, but we're going to try. We're going to push through and add coins. I'm just going to finish. Wait a second. Let me take this out. And what's playing here? Oh, that is okay. All right, so if I go here, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna take this, and then I'm just going to. I'm doing something off camera right now. I'm just adding the thumbnail, but I don't want you to see my files. So backdrops. Now this can go. Oh, no, I don't even need to talk because you can't see it. How long do I need to estimate? Probably a few days, because this project, I don't expect it to, I just expect it to do a little bit of something. But the Happy Fall project is going to be my next main project. And then after that, I might start working on Breath of the Wild. Okay, so, upload backdrop. Thanks, the great R8. Thank you. I know, it's quite a milestone. 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, not 1,000 followers. That was kind of a while ago. Actually, I think it was February. No, I'm just making little bits and pieces. So it'll be like that, and then screenshot cake. Thank you, Mr. Turtle Games. Okay, so I'm gonna press 9 to get rid of all that, and then, or no, I'm gonna press O first, and then 9. And I just need to hide some of these variables. I know you can't see what I'm doing right now. I'm just doing something off camera quick. Switch backdrop to screenshot. There we go. Okay, so that's just a screenshot. So now I'm going to put this back in here. Okay, and hide this. Okay, so now you can see what all I did is I just took a screenshot of this and just put it in here. Because if you stop the project and try to save it, a bunch of the stuff will just hide. Who disliked? I'm sure they have a reason to dislike it. I'm sure they have reasons. So I'm not going to get too mad at them. Maybe they're just trolling, but I wouldn't be surprised if they're not. Okay, so I just took this screenshot and I put it on here. And all I need to do now, I think, is just, well, if I had some sound effects that play when you're moving the camera and stuff, that'd be great. Maybe off camera after the stream. Yeah, no, the great R8. it was donated to our library, and we just passed it around through the members of the club. So I had to drop it back in after it was my turn to hold it. So there's some unintended glitches. Scrolling by your patch and Hobson TV with the scaling tip. Killer test project. If it's confusing, filler test project. If it's confusing, doesn't have much. Here's the main one, and I have to wait. Where is it? Did I close it or something? Oh, there it is. There it is. I see it. Okay. Here it is. What is coding? How does it work? Why do dead means? Why do I strike her go as fast? All right. So what am I doing? I'm looking up. What am I looking up? I forgot already. What am I looking up? I totally forgot what I was looking up. Oh, right. Right. I remember now. Base. Newer Super Mario Odyssey base. I'm going to right click on it. No, you can't right click on it. Copy that. Now get rid of that. Is Mama Luigi Balloon World gonna be maybe, but it was kind of glitching out at one point, so I have a feeling that it might glitch out again, and the project didn't really do that well for some reason. I don't know why. I mean, it probably wouldn't be too difficult to port over into the new one. I mean, I have to redo Luigi and stuff like that. Or it's confusing. Here's the main one I made. Okay. There's that. So I am going to share it. I'm going to share it at exactly 8 o'clock. No, I'm going to share it right now. Mario camera zoom in and out test. Okay. Scale. Zoom in. Scale scrolling. Scale plus scrolling. Scrolling. Hobson TV. FunnyAnimatorJimTV. To lose Mario Odyssey. Oh, no, I need it. This frog. Adding tags. Lol. Scale. Zoom in. Scale. Scrolling. Zoom. Mario Odyssey. Breath in the Wild. Okay, that's good. I'll share it. Welcome, Wave Melon, to the stream. Welcome, Wave Melon, to the stream. Okay. So. And for the heck of it, I will get... No, not for the heck of it. It's really serious. I have to grab Hobson TV Super Scratch Bros. Bros Beta 2.0. 2.0? No. 3.0 probably is what I want. Definitely. This I wouldn't link him to his test account. I could, but no. I gotta link it to his main account. Because I just have to repay the favor. Because it was he who gave me this idea. Well, he didn't really give me an idea, but yeah, he did give me the idea because I saw his project. I'm just 2927933937. Okay, good. 7:59. 1 minute. I'll share it. And I'm gonna copy this. Go there when the timer goes. At the hour. 1 minute left. Whoever's first. Oh, somebody did it. Okay. Oh, wait, I didn't share it. I didn't share it. Oh, no. I didn't share it. Ah. I didn't share it. Oops. Okay. Share it. Share it. Quick, 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 quick. Go, 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 go. Share it. Come on. Click the button. Click the button. Welcome next Trevor to the stream. Click the button. Did I click it? Come on. Okay. Shared. Go, 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 go. Okay. This is probably a good time for me to check my messages. Hey, wow. Wow. 2 people in the last 2 minutes. Here. Need feedback. So we shared a scrolling platform. I'll check that. Whale 10-0. Okay, I'll check that later. Well, I'll check it, actually. I'll check it. Whale 10-0. Is that what he said? Whale 10. Wally 10. Wait. Abraham Lincoln Odyssey? Wait, what? I'm doing something off camera. Ethan Fun 4, welcome to the stream. Who got first? Who got first? I'm just checking my messages real quick. I'm just checking my 2,383 messages. I'm just scanning through them. Because I do read my message and I do read the comments. Unlike a lot of people. You got first, Mr. Turtle? Nice job. Nice job. I'll give you a shout out. You don't have to tell me your account because I'll just see it. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. 800-588-2300 Empire today. I'm just doing Super Mario World. Maybe. I mean, other people have already done it. It wouldn't be too special, I don't think. I mean, maybe. Maybe. Because I could add Bonsai Bills. Bonsai Bills. Yeah, I don't know why I'm reading. No, I gotta read them. Because I gotta prove that I read them. Not that I don't. I do. I'm gonna put some music on. I'll put some music on. Just some ambient music. Wow, 10 likes. 10 likes and 9 viewers. Thank you, Ethan Fun, for. Thank you, Ethan Fun for. I'm happy that I'm able to. I'm happy that I'm able to. Oh, I see your account right there. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna put some music on. I'm gonna put some blues and G backing track. Because it sounds cool. This one. Oh, I don't get that ad. Okay, I did. Nice. I'll put it at that speed. That sounds good. Let me know how the audio is. And if the music gets annoying. No, I just asked him a question. Actually, that's what this project is about. That project that I just shared. I asked him this question, and he answered it, and that's why I made that project. So. I don't know where these messages stop. Yeah, I do. I do have a Mac. Thanks, Mr. Turtle. I mean, I'm just scanning through these. Welcome, Fuzzy, to the stream. Just checking. Welcome, Fuzzy. You're Fuzzy Weasel, right? The real Fuzzy Weasel, right? Don't get me wrong. You're the real Fuzzy Weasel. Welcome to the stream, Fuzzy. I don't know why I'm checking this. I gotta check out my real project. Alright, I gotta check my real project. I mean, not my real project. What am I doing? I mean, it's not his. I hope he doesn't get in trouble or anything, but. Okay, so this is the project that I just shared. So I might as well. No, I'll keep that one up. Hey. Yes, of course I know you, Fuzzy. You make really good projects. Welcome, Innovative Duck, Coder Cool Kid. I feel like I've heard that name before. I can't put my finger on it, but I just feel like I have for some reason. And just let me know if the music is too loud or too soft or gets annoying or anything. And if same thing for my voice. I mean, if my voice is annoying, then. Well, guinea pig turtle. Wait. Nebby lover. Wow. Congratulations for being first. Congrats on first. Okay, this is the project that I just shared. I think, when did I start the stream? I started it around 20 minutes ago. So basically, this is the project. Press O to zoom in. Look, you can see Mario's face and you can see the frog. Yeah, I need to fix that. I just took it out because I'll probably find a solution to this in the future. This is just a quick test project. It's just basically a filler project. And then you can press P to zoom out. This is really cool. You can press P to zoom all the way out, which is really cool. I think it actually runs better. I think it actually runs better in the zoomed out mode. So press O to zoom in and P to zoom out. There, I put it at the top of the script. Okay, basically, well, if I go inside, then the thumbnail will get screwed up. So I'm gonna reload the page. And meanwhile, is there anything else? Let's see. Yeah, I don't think there's anything too good. I think I responded to him already. Gotta go. Bye, Mr. Turtle Games. Thanks. Thank you for participating in the stream. I appreciate it. All right. Welcome, Near Lane Charles. What do you mean I chat with good website too? What do you mean? All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside and sort of try to explain how it works. All right. So basically, you see I have these variables over here. So there's two parts to this, basically. Well, I mean, sorry, Near Lane Charles. I mean, your username says Near Lane Charles. I did remember that your name was Jonathan. I just didn't say it. Who's good website? No, just because we sent one message back and forth or something doesn't mean that we talk all the time, like with Hobson TV. I just asked him a quick question. So basically how this works is this is the main Mario sprite. Actually, I should delete this turbo detector, because I don't need it. I don't need this. So I'm going to move these. I'm going to move these around a little bit. Happy collision. Camera. Frog. Loose. Moons. There are no moons. I mean, there's just nothing basically, but I just keep those sprites in there. Anyway, okay, so I'm going to save it. So basically, I'll try to explain I'm going to try to explain how this works. Make a turbo detect. Well, I deleted it already, but basically, you detect. I can't really use it here. I have to use a different sort of method because with these projects, I have a frames per second counter, and I use the blue timer for that. And the most common way to make a turbo detector is to use that blue timer. But there is a way. I just can't remember it off the top of my head because it's not not very common. I just found it somewhere, and I mean, I'm sure someone else used it, but yeah, but I wasn't really using it anyway. Even in the project, it was even the first project I made with this sort of thing in it. Anyway, so basically how it works is there's this forever loop right here, this forever loop, and every frame, this forever loop plays every frame, and basically every sprite. I'm gonna start making a new game. Yeah, I am. It's this one right here. This one I'm gonna work on. I'll just play like 10 seconds of it just to show you what it is, basically. I mean, it's really slow. It plays faster on the real computer. But yeah, I've been working on this off camera for a little bit, and it works pretty well. And this is a remake of a mobile phone game, so I will give credit to them. And basically, I need to fix coins. I basically really need to fix the coins, because there are no coins right now here, basically. And if we get good RNG, there we go. So you can see there's that exclamation mark, and it's pointing to a fly. There are these moving flies right here. See that? I mean, normally it runs at 30 frames per second, but because I have so many windows open and I'm streaming, it just slows it down a ton. Normally, it runs at 25 frames plus. So just know that. So I was explaining how this works. So basically, this forever loop, and you have this custom block right here, 1 frame, and that basically does all the settings for the player. So we have these variables. We have the scroll X variable, scroll X and scroll Y, and we also have player X and player Y. So 1 frame. So it changes the player Y every time. It changes the player Y every time there's a speed X change or a speed Y change. So we keep his momentum like 25 miles per hour. That's a speed. So we've got this variable. So we pretty much call it pixels per frame, I guess you could call it that. So we set this speed X, and then we figure out what speed based on the keys pressed and where Mario is and what state he's already in. We do all this stuff. We figure out what state he's in, what speed he's going at, and all these different things, all in 1 frame. And then at the end, we move Mario. So we have a different script up here. A different script up here. And this basically moves Mario right here. Trying to get a high score on it. Yeah. But I mean, it's really slow. So I probably wouldn't be able to do it. And I mean, I'm not using OBS, so I can't do it too fast. But anyway, move Mario speed X. So it inputs the speed X and speed Y of Mario currently, and then it changes the player X, then it positions the player. So that basically says it puts him at the proper X or Y position based on the player X and the scroll X, the place of the camera. And it positions him based on that. And then it figures out if Mario's touching the ground, if he's doing stuff, if he's hitting the wall while he's moving left or right. So then he bonks and does this bonking animation. And then after all of that, it sends a signal to state plus costumes right here. This long script right here. This figures out what state Mario is in. And then it outputs this number, this variable, Mario costume number. So it gets this Mario costume number. So based on whatever state he's in, so if he's diving, or if he's preparing a ground pound, or if he's jumping or uncapturing or standing still, he does an idle animation, or he's throwing his cap, or he's long jumping or something, whatever state he's in, it figures out this part I made myself. So it figures out the costume that Mario should be in. And then after all of that's done, that forever loop broadcasts a broadcast. It broadcasts it every single frame. It broadcasts every single frame to all the other sprites. That includes the collision. In that case, it puts itself in a certain position based on the scroll X, and then whatever position we assign it to, for example, 0, if we want to be at 0 position, then we take that, and in relation to the scroll X, we can figure out where it needs to sit on screen. And also, Cappy. Cappy has his own variables and X positions and speeds and everything. But most importantly, Mario costumes. This costume system I came up with myself. I think, well, I mean, I'm sure other people have done little versions of this before, but I took it to a great extent. Look at this. I made 98 costumes. I typed 98 costumes. Just all numbers. They're just numbers. Do I use stamps or clones? The problem with stamps is that they always go to the back of the screen, so you can't put anything behind them. So most of the time, I will use clones because I'm able to put them at the front of the screen, or at the front or the back anytime, and it's really easy to change them. The problem with stamps is that you just they always go to the back of the screen. You can't make them go to the front or in between or anything. So I couldn't do that with the Mario costumes because they would always go behind the art or behind everything. You can't put anything behind stamps. So I made all these numbers. No, I do not, Mr. Turtle Games. That would be crazy. That would be absolutely crazy for no reason. Okay, so I made those costumes, and then each one of these is in a list. Each one of those numbers is in a list with a certain number attached to it. And then basically what it does, those numbers are holding the positions of costumes, the costume that it actually is, the each body part and the direction they're pointing in. So it gathers all these numbers, and then every frame it erases the current Mario and then makes a new Mario instantly. So it goes to Mario, then changes the Y position by these numbers. The number, it splits the data up and it gathers the information from whichever costume number that variable has, and whatever that number is, it will take that number costume from this list. So if that number was 1, it would take the first one. If that number was 13, it would take the number from this one, from the 13th slot. I don't know if that is the one. If that number was 78, it would take the 78th piece from this big block right here. And basically it would take this whole number and split it up into a bunch of pieces. And it uses those pieces to figure out where it needs to be put on the screen, what costume it needs to be, what direction it's pointing in. And it does that all the time, and it makes 7 of them because there are 7 body parts, creates a clone for all of them, hides it, and it just keeps that on screen for 1 frame. And then on the next frame, it deletes it and makes a new costume, new Mario, based on what the next number is, what the next costume number is. And it just keeps doing this whole thing every single frame. So that's how that works. Ethan Fun 4. I tried to explain it. I mean, you'll be able to watch the video. I mean, it probably you should just look through it yourself and maybe. No, I didn't. No, you must have just been typing too many messages. It automatically does that. It automatically times you out if you spam a bunch. Well, I mean, I don't think you did spam, but I mean, it's really silly if you just post a couple messages too fast, then it will just time you out for a bit. But it'll be back in a couple minutes. Usually, it takes about 10 minutes for it to come back, so you'll be fine. So that's this project. Let's just see how it's doing. Yeah, it doesn't update until after. Well, you can say it now. 7, 8. Weird. 7, 8. Wait, don't try to dive? What? Okay. So let's work on this. So let's add, what should we add? Let's put the music back on. Let's put Animal Crossing music on. I was gonna say, do you need? I saw that message. Oh, I do need 1 billion stuff. Well, thank you. I don't think I do because there are other people that make way better stuff than I do. Even other scratchers make way better stuff than I do. Wayback Machine. That would be great. If I could make a graph of my follower count, that would be cool. That would be so cool. That would be so cool. Whoa, Visionless. You're Waffle Joe, right? Okay, so let's put some music on. Animal Crossing. My voice changed? Yeah, when was the last time I made one of these? It's been 5 years since I was really active. No, only 3 years. Only 3 years since I was last really, really active. Okay, let's put this music on. Okay, I'm just putting music on. Oh, that's too fast. I had my music on. I'm just putting music on. Thank you, Alpha Turtle, and welcome back, Jonathan Charles. Hey, I forgot to ask, Waffle Joe, what have you been doing lately? I know you haven't really been on Scratch lately, and I didn't check your YouTube channel recently. Okay, so what am I doing now? I'm not gonna add coins. I'm gonna add power-ups. Oh, right, Mr. Turtle Games. I know you're the same person. I'm just... Whoa, 12 watching. That's insane. 12 watching. Wait, actually, hang on a second. Playing Fortnite? Aw. Why don't you play Mario Odyssey instead? Okay. Wait, okay. I'm gonna say some gibberish stuff, and I'm gonna turn my volume off and see, can you still hear me? So I'm gonna say stuff now. Blah, 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 blah. Can you hear this? Can you hear this? Type Sapphire if you can hear this. Type Sapphire if you can hear what I'm saying right now. Type Sapphire if you can hear what I'm saying now. Okay. Did you hear that or not? Okay. That was just a test. That was just a test. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just turned my volume off. I just turned my volume down. Oh yeah, I should definitely do that because I'm taking something. Wait, what? No, it's fine. It's fine. Wave Melon and Ethan. Wait, what? I need to play this project afterwards. Yeah, look at this. Oh, I think he removed it himself. No, I think he just removed it himself. Look at this. Look at this. Oh. Wait, what? Look, he just took this. Look at this. This person stole my costume system without credit. I was just doing something off camera. What's the link to the jelly game? I haven't shared it yet. I'm still working on it. Wait, first I gotta check to make sure he actually did it. I'm pretty sure he did. Wait a second. Wait a second. I didn't look inside. Wait, let me take that off. Because, wait, I gotta check it first. I gotta check it first. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Someone told me that they did, but they didn't. I'm just typing something. Oh, you have to. Wait a second. Yeah, I do. Well, I'm homeschooled pretty much. Why doesn't this work? I can't do this for some reason. I'll play that when it's better. I was just playing someone else. All right, let's get back to this thing before I lose like 10 viewers. Already lost one. Okay, so let's do this. So first I need to, let's put the music back on. So I'm gonna pull up the power up. I'm gonna make the apple power by Mr. Turtle Games. Wait, you said wait. What am I doing now? I'm looking up. No, because it's not finished. I mean, it's pretty okay, and I'm sure I could share it, but I mean, that would be too cheap. Zomsroyale.io. I don't play .io games. I mean, what you can do is you can go in. There's a website that you can do. You can. Hang on, I'm looking for a video. Happy fall. Okay, there we go. Looking for a video so I can draw the. So I can look at the apple, so I can draw it, because the apple is a power up. Got an ad. 2 ads, double ad. Okay, there's an apple. Okay, I found an apple right there. Okay, so basically this is the apple that I'm looking for right now. See this apple? See the apple? No, it's normally 30 frames per second, but as I'm streaming, it was so low when I stopped it. See that apple? Wait, what? Oh. See the... Wait, what? Come back. What? Oh, I don't know. But see the apple, that's what I'm going to draw, so I'm going to take that out. And I'm going to draw it. Wait. Okay. Wait a second. Wait. Okay. Just checking off some. Okay, let's draw the apple, so power-ups. Saddle just, I'm not really in the coding spirit right now for some reason. So let's make it red, I guess, because it's an apple. I have 1,000 subscribers. It was, I think last month. I think last month is when I got 1,000. I need to make a new tutorial on how to draw decently in 3.0. As at the moment, yeah. I mean, I have a feeling somebody. Well, I mean, it would just lag too much and not be very good to use. But I would have, if somebody could make a fan-made sort of scratch thing that allowed you to have on your skin, that actually wouldn't be too difficult to make. That actually would not be too difficult to make. I might. Well, I mean, it's easier said than done. Wait, Griffpatch made one? Did he make one? I mean, I don't think he made one, but he might have made one. I just didn't see it. I'm just using one hand right now. No, he didn't make one. Okay, now that doesn't look very good. So, bye in your lane, Charles. Make sure before you leave, like the video if you liked it. I mean, video, live stream. It will be a video soon. But if you liked what you saw, then like it. I mean, if you didn't like it, then don't like it, because that'll let me know if the stream wasn't as good. Thank you. I hope you did like it, and you're not just liking it because I told you. There we go. That looks good. Comic King, welcome to the stream. I don't really care who disliked it. I mean, I'm sure I'm not gonna get angry because they probably had a good reason not to dislike. I mean, they probably had a good reason to dislike. Now I am grabbing green. Green. Actually, I will open. How do you reply? You just put the username like this. Without a space. What am I looking up now? My channel, right? My channel. No problem, Ethan. There it is. 9 watching right now. That's not bad. I mean, well, I don't know what the peak is. I'll check afterwards. Turn the volume down quick before it goes overboard. I mean, before I get like duplicate sound effects or something. Also, I'm just looking at that right here on the screen, and that outline is not thick enough. Oh, it already is. Okay, good. Okay. This just needs to get thicker. That's pretty good. And what am I doing now? Okay, I just have to draw in with a marker. Visionless. That seems about good. And I'll use a line instead. And that's a little too thick, so make it 4. That's a little too bright. Seems fine. A video or a live stream? Also, don't just watch me do this. If you have something else you need to do, then then do it alongside this because I want you to get something out of this too. Like maybe it helps you concentrate on something you're doing. I mean, it probably doesn't, but if you could do something yourself too, then that would be great. I'd feel good about that I'm helping somebody else. Okay, this last part, it shouldn't be too bad. Just grab the outline. You know what the max file size is for a 3-pointer project? No, but it can still hold Griff Patch's Paper Minecraft. So, oh wait, you know what? You can check. I know a project that just barely pushed over the data limit, so I'll check that, and then I can message you on your profile. Let me load it up right now before I forget. Now, past this on this music with the music, I haven't listened to it. What am I looking up right now? What am I looking up? All right. Oh wait, maybe he removed his project. It is Animal Crossing. I think this is it. I don't know what song it is, though. I mean, from the game. I'm loading up the project, Fuzzy. Fuzzy. Oh no. Oh no. I got the rainbow wheel. Okay. Did I do something for the design studio? No. No. SDS, you mean? No, I haven't. That's not dark enough. That's perfect. Oh, I have heard this song. I just don't remember the one before it. Doesn't have to be perfect. I love that accordion that just that ambient accordion. It just plays every once in a while. That's pretty good, actually. You know, it doesn't look too bad. Like on the stream. I mean, on the window, project window. That looks fine. That looks perfect. It doesn't look perfect, but I mean, what do you mean readjust the center? What do you mean readjust the center? Okay. Do you mean like snip it to the center? Or what do you mean readjust the center? I know, I was just asking what, I know, I was just asking. You can move the center of the costume? What do you mean? What do you mean, move the center of the costume? Okay, there. What do you mean, move the center of the move the center? Do you mean move the center or move to the center? But the center, but I mean, what do you mean? Do you mean he's saying center the apple? No. Wait, what? I don't know what you mean. Like, do you mean like this? If you want it perfectly centered, then you just have to hold shift while drawing a line, then draw another line that go through the center, then you can put the costume over it where you want it. I mean, this doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm just gonna, you just do that. Okay, this I'm going to call apple. And then what happens when you pick it up? Like, what kind of thing happens? Okay, you just get a ghost apple above it, and then you get those lines. And you get those lines, so I need to make a new costume. It's just lines. I'm gonna turn the music up. Like that. So I'm just gonna move that because I think I still want it. And just make all the colors of the rainbow with this. Gotta like push it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just me being weird. That. So they do 6 colors. And then I can just copy this and flip it to do the second half. Right? Yeah, that should be fine. I'll move this up a little bit. This down. That should be good. And just do this. And then grab blue. What color blue? Like just that blue is fine. Violet. Like that. So this is just gonna go on the end of it. Well, I mean I can make that a little longer. Like that's probably pretty good. And this side could be a bit taller, but I can't. I would have to edit all of those, so I'm going to do that. And this is going to be on a ghost effect. And this music is getting kind of boring. I'm going to change it. I'll change it to what? Twilight Princess. What should I change it to? Let's do that Twilight Princess OST. Mario Galaxy. I'll do that after this. I'll do that after this. Title. Right. So this should be at the center because we don't need this anymore. We can just put this at the center. We can just put that at the center. So then this is going to point towards the mouse. So we need to flip it. Yeah, so you flip it and put it over here. Rainbow. And then apple. Make a duplicate apple for the ghost effect. So let's go into flies and figure out. So we're just gonna have to hope that we're just gonna have to hope that that a fly and a power up don't appear on the same level. I mean, that's probably gonna happen, but you know, we don't need that, so we're just gonna do this. You know, I probably should have just duplicated this sprite. Yeah, I'll do that. This is gonna be power-ups, so I'll just put these costumes in here. Delete these. And delete this. Powers. Last power-up created. Yeah, we'll do that. Last power-up created. That's a good idea. Yeah, we can't use last fly created, so we'll say last power-up created. For all sprites, set last flat power-up created. Okay, set power-up Y. That's what we want. Power-up Y. For what? I can't read it. Power-up Y. I think that's a yeah. So we'll rename. We'll just rename that to power-up Y. Power-up Y. Create fly. No, not create fly. Create power-up. And we don't need this. Well, I mean, spawn one. So let's say spawn one. Okay. Apple ghost. So switch costume to pick random 1 to 5. No, it's rumored. Wait, confirmed. It's really confirmed? Wow. Alright, join. Pick random 1 to 5. Join. Wait, what? Spawn, right? Spawn, pick one to pick random 1 to 5. Yeah, these are the intro songs. Let's put on some more exciting songs. Let's put on Enter the Darkness, yeah. This is a pretty exciting theme. Okay. Okay. So if Power up y equals E. Bye. Bye, Ethan Fun. Thanks for stopping by. Let's see. Let's take this out. So we don't need this, actually. And what is this? Equals spawn 1. That'll be the apple. Then we're just going to do this. We don't need a fly speed. We need the last power up created. Power up created, good. We don't need this. Yeah, and that's pretty simple, actually. And then if touching player, right? Yeah, it's chilling. So we're gonna get touching player. Then we'll put that inside here. Set apple to 1. Set apple to 1, and then we're gonna get a timer. I'm gonna set apple timer. We're gonna need a new thing. Power up timer. Power up timer. Set power up timer. If power up timer is greater than 0, then set power up timer. Then change. Set power up timer to what? How many frames? We want this to go on for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's fine. So 300 frames. Wait, no. We want to set it to 300 and change this by 1. Change power up timer by -1. Power up timer is greater than 0. Okay, there we go. If power up timer equals 1, then we'll just reset everything. So we'll set shield to freeze, right? Freeze to 0 and apple to 0, and I think there's a magnet too. Freeze to 0 if power up timer equals 1. Power up timer equals 1. We do that now. If we are gonna hide, we're gonna delete. We're gonna hide, delete. Okay, so we're gonna say switch costume to Apple Ghost. You don't understand it, Vision Waffle Joe. What should I call you? Should I call you Visionless or Waffle Joe? Okay, so switch on. Create. Could I stream on Friday? Probably not, because my grandma is coming up for the week, so I'm gonna be spending a lot of time with my grandma. So I'm gonna try and get this out in the next few days, and then that'll take care of that week. Just while I'm away. Okay. I mean, not away. I'll still be in the house, but with grandma. And she doesn't really like the technology because we don't have a TV, and adults like to watch TV. Bye, Papa LeBear. Thanks for coming to the stream. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, and if you're leaving, you've been watching in the background, I guess. If costume name equals Apple Ghost. Apple Ghost. Create power up, not create fly. No, not add comment. Edit it. Create power up. Set ghost effect 0. I'm gonna set power up. Okay, this is good. Set X to pick random. Hope the power up doesn't like spawn in between inside of a wall or anything. Create clone of myself. Get size to 100%. What's the size? Let me see it. If it's a good size. That's a good size. That's perfect. Less power up created. This is what we want, right? We just want to set the X here. This set style, don't rotate. And set size to 100%. And that's about it, right? No, wait. I almost forgot the most important part. Okay, that's basically everything. Apple Ghost. If else, if Apple equals 1, if, no, 1. If Apple equals 1, Apple, where's Apple? Apple equals 1, then we're going to do this. Otherwise, Apple is 0. So there's no Apple, so we're just going to delete this clone. Then we're going to get an OR as well. OR, copy this. And what's the second one? Rainbow, right. Rainbow. Mario Kart Engine. Sure, I already know what your account name is. It's EthanFun4. So I'll check it out. I'll open it up. Oh, by the way, that fuzzy project. That fuzzy weasel asked what the data limit was for a 3.0 project, so I am going to test it out and see what it is. Now, this project. Outro. This might not be it. This might be, I think this is it, though. I think because at the end of the project, I think he says, this reached the data limit. Oh, wait, no, I can just duplicate stuff. I can just duplicate sprites until I reach it. I don't need to really prove that it is. This one? I mean, this project doesn't seem that big. Somehow it took up all the data. I don't know. I'm just looking. Duplicate. Let's just duplicate a bunch of sprites, and hopefully it'll tell. Hopefully it'll say that it reaches the data limit. Oh, it did. Okay, one sprite down. I'm doing something off camera. Hopefully. Please. I hope this is actually the project. Yeah, audio does take up more space. You gotta go. Catch you next stream. Thank you, EthanFun4. I'll load up your project while I'm thinking of it. I'll load up your profile. Yeah, you could probably do a search. I don't think, maybe this is the wrong project. Maybe it was the first episode. this thing that I'm looking at that was the first. I'll just search 3.0 data limit, or you could just ask. You could just ask someone from the Scratch team. You could just ask Paddle2C or something. You could ask Paddle2C. Ask Paddle2C. Also, what am I looking at? Ethan Fun 4. Super Mario Kart 2. Okay. So I've got it up here, and I'll check it out after the stream. All right, so let's get back to this. If Apple equals 1, how many viewers do we have right now? 7. Okay, not bad. Wait, did I say? Oh no, okay. Okay, let's go back to this. If costume equals Apple Ghost. Let's do this. Put this right in here. So if it's Apple Ghost, then we're gonna set the size to 80%. I think. Oh no, I don't like this music. It's just the battle music. Doesn't sound very good. Meet Princess Zelda. Shadow Beast. Cover the light. Levitation Spirit, maybe. Yeah, that sounds good. Set size to 80. Otherwise, set size to 100%. Go to. We want to set the ghost effect to 80% about. Or not 80%. 20. Set ghost effect to 20. Go to the player. Go to player. For this one, we want to... Let's go to front so we can see what they're doing. Now, go to front. Alright, bye, Visionless. Yeah, sorry if you don't understand this. Sorry if you don't understand this. I mean, I think you can understand some of it. Yeah, this is good music. Let me put on the Fair Woods. That's better. Point towards mouse. Point towards mouse pointer. And change Y by 30 or something. And let's put this right in here. Oh, but I don't even have the script to get just for spawning the apple. Okay. Let's go into platforms, because the platforms is whatever. Okay, so it's this right here. Create platforms. Create power up. Set last power up created to scroll Y minus 2. Last power up created. Pick random 1 to 5 is 1 and contains block. Okay, that doesn't even work, so let's do that. That should be good. Pick random 1 to 5 is 1. Yeah, that's fine, probably. Let's say 600 actually, or 700. 600 is fine. Why does it need to be minus 360? Can it just be 180? Yeah. Power ups. Switch costume, just join spawn. Pick random 1 to 5. Good. Okay, let's test this out, guys. Okay, hopefully we should see a power-up spawning soon. The power-up timer is 0. And the last power-up created was it. Okay, this is lagging a lot, but it should still work. I can't even see the things. Oh, that's a fly. Okay. That's a fly, and you can't even take damage to the flies yet. So, yeah. This is lagging a lot. I know it is. But I hope a power-up spawns. Oh, no, that's a fly. There's a power-up. Touch the power-up, please. It's just staying there. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait a second. Oh no, I'm running into issues now. When do I go to sleep? You mean when do I go to sleep from now? Like what time do I go to sleep with? Like in a couple hours? Like maybe 2 hours? No, maybe less. Probably. Maybe an hour and a half I go to sleep. This is tricky. What is the power of Y? Oh, it is E, that's right. Oh, I need to set the costume number to something else. I need to just set it to something else, some weird thing like costume 1, and just make a dot, like something like that, or something. Doesn't really matter what it is. Switch it to costume 1. If costume name equals costume 1. Yeah, this is actually a much better way to do it, I think. I mean, it's probably not going to change anything. I'll get a different sound. Like that. That's perfect. Play jump or bite when it creates a power up. And Y and power up Y. Yeah, I was just wondering why I was doing that. Yeah, that's okay. Let's try again. Hopefully we can get a power up to spawn pretty quickly. It took me like 25 minutes to draw those numbers. Those numbers changing at the top. Thanks, Papa LeBear. Okay, that was a fly. Oh no, it was probably a coin that failed to spawn. Why is this so laggy? It's because I'm streaming. No, don't die. Yeah, if you go too far, if you get stuck at the top of the screen, then that's when you die. Or if you hit one of the flies. Okay, at apple spawning. But I don't see the apple. It's not working. Okay, let's just not set it to E. because I created a clone. I hope I don't, like, have too many clones or something. Not because of the lag, but I mean, I hope it's not, like, taking up any major space. So if you would touch that guy, then you would lose the game. But I just haven't implemented that in yet. Create an apple, please. Make an apple. Please make an apple. Okay, I'm just gonna make one. Should I wait until one's made? There we go. I heard one. Okay, should be coming up soon. There it is. Okay, touch the apple. What? What? What happened? Wait, what? If touching player, then hide. Wait, what? Then do this, right? I just delete apple. Run without screen refresh. Just do it. Delete apple. Yeah, why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this work? Why is this not working? This is what happened when I started doing coins. And it just didn't work for some reason. Alright, I'm just gonna cheat and make an apple. Just came back, what's the problem? Basically, the apples... First, I couldn't get an apple. Okay, there's an apple, so I'm gonna do this. And I touched it, and it just... Okay. Apparently, this stuff is not working. So I've got if touching player, delete apple. So it sets it that apple to 1. So we've got an apple. So we have the apple power up active, right? So sets apple to 1. Sets the power up timer to 300. So for 300 frames, it's going to be an apple. I mean, it's going to be, you're going to have the apple power up, and when that timer runs out, the power up expires. So then this is the part that I think is messed up. Switch costume to Apple Ghost. So basically we're gonna create a new clone. Well, basically, actually. Oh, wait a second. Well, first of all, I didn't create the rainbow. Well, I'll create the rainbow thing right now. Okay, there it is. So I created a rainbow power up. Well, actually, switch costume to spawn one, right? So I created two clones. So I switched to a costume, created the clone, and then switched to another costume, so I created 2 clones, and then I'm deleting this clone that I just made. But that's not working. For some reason, when I touch the apple, it just stops scrolling, and it doesn't hide itself, and no new clones are created. Well, let's show these. You know what? I'm going to test it, so I'm going to just make the purple apple. I'm just going to make a blue-purple apple. Let's see if that does anything. That actually looks kind of pretty. That blue-purple apple. For some reason, it just looks a little pretty. Okay. Come on, go over. There we go. Yeah, I know it's lagging. That's just because I'm streaming. When I'm not streaming, it runs at 25. Oh, apple was created. I heard an apple. Okay, where is it? Where's the apple? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? No, don't tell me I don't even see the apple now. What? Wait, what? Now I'm not even seeing the apples. See, this is just so... Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, okay, so that's the ghost apple right there. Okay, so this is weird. But then I just grabbed that apple power up. This is so weird. Oh no, I didn't. I didn't. That was just the sound of a new apple being created. Power-ups. Switch set rotation style all around for this one. Wait, apple ghost. I didn't put a space in it. I didn't put a space. Dude, I didn't put a space. That's so frustrating. I didn't put a space. Okay, that probably works now. I just need to do something. I just need to do something. What am I doing? What do I need to do? I forgot. I just forgot. So I just totally forgot what I needed to do. Oh, right. I remember. I remember this number right here. Let's make it 6. Or let's make it 580 or 575. That'll be good, right? You know, let's hide some of these things. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Okay, let's check this now. See if this works. So there's a coin, but I mean, I just can't do these coins. They're just giving me such a hard time. Yeah, sorry it's lagging so much. It's just lagging. Okay, there's a fly, but I need to hear the crunch. The crunch and the pop are not going to be there in the full game. I'm just using them so I know when something's created. And you see that fly can just go through walls. I tried for an hour and I couldn't fix it. Oh, apple's coming in. I hear an apple. Where's the apple? What? I heard 2 apples. And I just heard the apples. Where are they? I heard the apple bites and they're just not coming up. Wait, whoa. What's the scroll Y right now? What's the scroll Y right now? I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died. Scroll Y, where is it? There it is. Yeah, what the heck? What the heck? 4207. And I just didn't see it. See, this is the problem. I just don't see these things. See, look at this. I just created the clone, and it just doesn't. Okay, let's just create the clone and not switch any costumes or anything. Let's just try that. Alright, I'm just going to create the apple on myself. How long have I been streaming for? Okay, where the heck is the apple? $9:37? What? I just passed it. I passed it like 10 minutes ago. Okay, create the thing. Okay, 6:22. It should appear around there. I don't see it. It's just, I don't know. What's Apple right now? Just checking. I can't see it, but yeah, see, the apple just isn't spawning. This is the same problem I had with the coins. I just can't. I have no idea what's going on. I just don't know what's going on. Spawn 1. Right. I don't know why. It's just not working. Like, see, I set it. I set the position, and it should show. Always. Okay, let's set the floor. Let's make it the floor of it. Let's do this. I don't know how that's going to help, but whatever. And I'll put a show in here anyway. I'll put a show in here anyway. Alright, this better work. Alright, I should just at least see the apple. Okay, create it. Where's the apple? See, I just don't even see it. Wait, show the costume name. Costume 1. What? Are you kidding? What? What? I didn't even switch it to costume 1. I switched it to costume. What? Is there any way you can contact me off street? Why? Why? I need to know why. Oh! Is that why? Oh my gosh. If this works, if that's why, just because I couldn't just because it couldn't find it. Alright. Wait, what? I'll create the thing. Okay, there, I see the apple. Okay, now we just gotta wait till we get there. Alright, come on. There it is. Touch it, grab it. There we go. Yay, woohoo. But that apple did not despawn. Okay, the power-up expired. Okay, that sort of worked. Now, I mean, do you have a Scratch Discord server that I could join? Don't say it, because you might, well, I mean. Okay, Apple incoming. Do you have your own Scratch Discord server? Now, I need to check where this apple goes. Okay, it could be placed up a little bit more, like 550, 555. Ah, 560. That's good. Okay, so I can take this out, because I don't need that. And I can take this, no, this, and fill that right there. Just that. Do that. Boom. Go to front, and then we're going to go back. How many layers? You have a Discord account. You're in many general Scratch Discord servers. I do have a Discord account. I mean, I use it for a couple things. Oh. Excuse me. Alright. So all I'm trying to do right now... Well, okay. You know what? All I need to do is... all I need to do is just take this, do that, and then just say if... Then just say if apple equals 1, then just say 0. Or, okay, all I have to do is down here. Or apple equals 1. That's all I need to do. Because then the original apple won't be on, won't, it will already be collected if apple's 1. Okay. So, oh no. Why is that just there? Why is that just there? It's just there. Hide it, hide it, hide it, hide it. Okay, now I have a feeling that this, why is it not hiding it? Alright, just create the power up. Oh, there we go. Okay, that was too much. I can't grab it from there. So now it's going to delete itself, and then hopefully it'll create another... apple shortly up here. Oh, I heard the apple. Okay, so that apple at the start, I can easily fix that problem. Okay, apple, got the apple. Okay, yay. Okay, we got the apple. Okay, now the power-up's gonna expire. Okay, perfect. Oh, then I just immediately heard the other apple. Okay. So we are gonna go to the front, and then 30 is not enough. 50 is probably perfect. Oh, 560 isn't divisible by 120. That's right. 600 is. Yeah, but that shouldn't matter, right? Screw Y. Just whatever the current thing is, it should go down, right? I don't know. What does the fly use? The fly uses minus 600. And for the power-ups, it uses, for the platforms sends it down 180. I'll just, 500. Now I'll make it 500 and 360. Yeah, for some reason that works, so I'm just gonna change it to that. Let's put on the Hidden Village. Or no, we'll do Goron Mines. Or no, Death Mountain. Death Mountain. No. No, the Mountain Dwelling Goron Shrine. Yeah, Fuzzy, if you just want to go on one of my older videos, like one that's not very popular, and just post a comment there, post your Discord tag, and I'll send you a message. I don't really know what we're going to talk about, but just send me your Discord tag, and then I'll delete it. Okay. Now what we were doing is with power-ups, we were going to take this, go to front, and then go back 2 layers, I think. Go back 2 layers. That's good. Okay. Go backward 2 layers. And then what? We went forward. We went to the front and then back 2 layers. Okay, so that should be good. Also, we want to say we're going to point in direction 90 at the start. Well, 90 for this thing is going to be to the right. So we're going to say it doesn't go less than 90 or, well, switch to rainbow for a second. Switch costume to rainbow and show it. Now we're going to take the direction and just play around with it for a bit. Point direction. Let's take this. Oh, right. We got a point. Set rotation style all around. There we go. Point direction. Set rotation style all around. Why is it not doing it? Yeah. All around. Rotate it. There we go. Okay. So we want it to be in this sort of range here. So that is here. So that's not if let's take some time figuring it out. So if it's not less than 90 or greater than negative 90, Well, no, that doesn't really make sense. If absolute value of it... Okay, if absolute value... If absolute value of direction is greater than 90... That's good, okay. If absolute value of direction is greater than 90, that's perfect. Direction. Go, 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 go fast. Go fast. Point towards mouse pick. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's good. And I'll need to get the sound effects for this thing too. We'll need to set the thing to just this switch. No. Switch costume to costume 1, right? Perfect. Switch costume to costume 1 height. Goody. Okay. Let's test this a bunch. I hope it creates an apple for us along the line. Oh, I heard it. Good. Good, we're creating apples. Ah, I missed it. Dang it. And the fly is gonna eat that apple for himself. So yeah, sorry, this is just so slow. Oh, I heard another apple. Okay, let's not miss it this time. There it is. Go get the apple. Get it, get it. Good. Woo, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Alright, so it looks like it works. Just gotta fix this rainbow thing a little bit. Also, I'll go to the front and go backward a couple layers, right? Backward 10 layers. Now 3 layers is fine. And do this thing here. If direction is less than 180, right? Yeah. 180, else wait a second. If absolute value, this is tough. And greater than 90. That's it. That's what we gotta do. And it's greater than 90. And direction's greater than 90. That's good. Okay, we got that. We got that. We got this. So if it's less than 180 and greater than 90, we're going to point in the direction 90. Otherwise, we're going to point in the direction negative 90. That should work. How many viewers do we have on the stream right now? Fifth place? Okay, cool. Alright, I'll load it up. I'll load it up. How many viewers? So we only got 3 viewers. Dang it. Yeah, we lost a bunch of viewers. Hey, I'm gonna end the stream. Alright, I'll end the stream in 10 minutes. Okay. I gotta find it. There, I got it. Okay. Alright, I see it. I see it. I'll open it up after I end the stream because Discord is gonna lag up everything on this thing. Okay. So, what last thing can I do now? Oh, we got another watcher. Who's gonna be the 20th like? We've got 19 likes on there right now. I'll turn the music off. Music could get a little boring. Oh, mid-rule Triforce, you just got here. I'm gonna end the stream in 10 minutes, but you can watch it back after it's uploaded. If there's anything you want to say, then you gotta say it now, because I'm gonna end the stream in 10 minutes. Basically, what we worked on this stream is this game right here. Also, we shared this project right here. This is just a basic project. It's just a filler project, a test project. It's basically like all my other. Oh, have fun with J and L. Ely. L. Welcome to the stream, both of you. Unfortunately, I am ending the stream in 10 minutes. So sorry you got here so late. But that's okay. You can watch it back afterwards. Basically, what we worked on is we just shared this thing, which is basically like my Mario Odyssey project, except it has a little quirk where you can zoom the camera in and out, which is really, really cool. That's just so cool. And I just shared that quickly. It's just basically a filler project, and then there's this Happy Fall game that we're working on. Mid-roll Triforce, you're working on an online game? That's awesome. You should live stream you making it. I'd watch it, because I'm interested. Okay, let's test this thing. I'm just going to create an apple instantly. Just create the apple instantly. There it is. Okay, get it. Oh, it's still not going far enough. Oh, I've got this flipped around. Hey, Ori, elephant. Unfortunately, I'm ending the stream. It's weird. So many people. Whoa, 100 people can play at once. 100 people. How are you going to make that? How are you going to make it so 100 people can play at once? How are you going to make it so that 100 people can play at once? It's not a Tetris Battle Royale, is it? Yeah, thank you, Ori. It's just, I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but there's a mobile phone, there's a mobile phone game called Happy Fall. This FPS is only 10 because I'm streaming. Normally it's 25 frames per second. I need to change this music. Let's put on different music. 500? How? I guess you just got to say what kind of thing it is. Let's... Oh, right, I gotta fix this thing right here. This thing right here. If direction is less than 180. No, less than 90. Or no, less than... No. If absolute times -1. That's it. No, greater than 90. I mean, less than 90. For some reason, that wasn't working. I don't know why. That should work. Well, wait. That should be good. Yeah, this music is not good. Oh, I'm gonna shut the music off. All right, test. Okay, let's make a thing. Woo, goody, goody, goody. Woohoo. Oh, the next PowerPoint is already created. Wow. All right. Let's move this over. That's good. And still, this needs to go backward a lot. Let's say 10 layers. 10 layers is probably going to be way too much. Mid-roll try first. I'd love to see what it is. I mean, unless you don't want to kill any suspense or anything, I'd love to see you live stream it. I would watch it. I would watch a live stream of it. Also, see how there's that little bit of lag when he hits the ground. See, watch how the script is glowing, and then I hit the ground and it stops glowing for a split second. See, it stops glowing for a split second when I hit the ground. I need to fix that because that's causing lag. Because what I'm doing is, wait. Okay, this. Okay, that's a bit weird. Right there. And I need to add it so you can up the speed. That's right. You need to add it so you can up the speed. So let's do another one. Right, that's pretty good. Okay. Wait, you can go over 600 characters? Doesn't it only go up to 252? Doesn't it only go up to 252? I think the cloud variable character limit is 252. Because they don't want people abusing the cloud data. They don't want people abusing it every frame, and it costs money to update it every single frame, I think. Alright, still 10 layers is not enough. I am happy. For me, it went over 652. You can still do 100 people. I don't know how you're going to do this, but I can't wait for it. What kind of a game is it going to be? Is it going to be like a battle royale? I don't think it could be because that would take a lot of characters for even one player. 20 likes! 20 likes. Alright, I'm going to end the stream in 3 minutes. I'm just trying to fix... Oh, that's why. 4 swords. 4 swords online. I haven't really played 4 swords. I haven't really played 4 swords. But what can you do with only 2 characters? What can you do with only 2 characters? That's kind of... I mean, what can you do with 2 players? Let's see, so let's put that in. Oh, no, it goes up here. Put this in, let's put that and save it. Alright, I'm going to be ending the stream in 2 minutes. Let's test it one more time. I think now I think 10 layers, going back 10 layers is going to be too much. So let's make the apple appear. Thank you, Ori. Yeah, it took a little bit of time. I've started to slow down a little bit in subscribers, but that's just because I haven't made many videos. Oh, right, the numbers. Right, that numbers, right. So that would be 100 different possibilities. By XLG. So you can say if he's moving. There we go. That's perfect. Look at him. Look at him. He's just going really fast. Oh no, he's not going fast at all. That's what I have to add. That's right. I forgot about that. I forgot about that. Let's do this. Ending the stream in 1 minute. Can I finish? No, the lag of the ground is just because, oh, I forgot to explain why. It's this right here. See how I've got those wait 0.1 seconds, wait 0.1 seconds, wait 0.1 seconds. That is what's causing the lag. So all I have to do is just make a frame counter and say if it's say if it's 9 frames away, that'll come out to about 0.3 seconds. 9 frames. So I just have to count, wait 9 frames, and then this stuff can do that. So all I am going to do now is just make it so that if Apple is 1, then the friction, or no, wait. No, that's this. If else, okay, I need it. If else, okay, if else. I just want to see this work. If else, if, okay. There we go, that's that. Put this right here. Yeah, wait until, maybe. I think it would just be better to have an if instead of a wait. Just if something, if triggered, if triggers that the 9 frames have passed. Just checks every frame, and then it decides. Then once it finally hits it, then it does it. You know what I'm saying? If this, so this is all we're gonna do. If Apple equals 1, if Apple equals 1. Oh wait, no, we've got this already. We've got this already. I'm gonna say 5. Oh wait, yeah, I'll just take this out because this didn't do anything. All right. Wow, I should have ended it 2 minutes ago. I just wanted to fix this. All right, so basically when you get the Apple, see how he's moving pretty slowly. He's not moving that slow. Yeah, mid-roll, I'm going to subscribe to your channel. I'm going to go in the chat and subscribe because you make really good stuff. And you haven't Noon Scratch for that long, I think. You make really, really good stuff. So I'm going to subscribe to your channel. I'm going to create... all right, I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to check all the stuff that I forgot to do in the stream. May not forgot, just waited till after the stream to do. Thanks, everyone, for watching. We made progress with this project, and I think I have an idea on how I can fix the coins. So thank you, and goodbye. See you in the next stream, next video, next whatever, and hope you like this project. Hope you like the project I just shared. By the way, here's the project that I just shared. The project I shared on stream. Just a quick test experiment project. Zooming in and out with the camera. All right. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Thanks all. Thanks for 20 likes. If you didn't like the stream, like it now if you liked it. And goodbye.